Ebola is spreading. I wanted to give you some updates. According to the World Health Organization, the number of people suspected to have Ebola is around 900 or more, and the suspected deaths from Ebola is estimated to be around 220. And one of the things about those numbers you should keep in mind is the World Health Organization has, and other organizations have repeatedly said that they feel like we've gotten a late start, a late jump on this virus. They suspect it had been spreading for a while before cases were picked up. So the suspicion is that cases are likely even higher than that, perhaps deaths even higher than that as well.
Faith leaders are standing in the gap between medical institutions and communities as the Ebola outbreak in Central Africa continues to spread, according to Christian aid agency Tear Fund. The charity has launched an urgent appeal for support, warning that churches and local faith networks are playing a critical frontline role in sharing life-saving guidance and helping prevent a wider humanitarian disaster. Poppy Anguandia, Tear Fund's country director for the Democratic Republic of Congo, said faith leaders are helping bridge gaps between communities and health services, especially in areas where access to healthcare and clean water remains limited. They are helping to share life-saving guidance to help stop the spread. This response is urgent, but we need more funds to act now, she said. Her comments come as more than 900 suspected Ebola cases, including over 100 confirmed infections, have now been identified in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, according to the World Health Organization.
The situation in Congo is critical. The time to act is now, before more people die. Tear Fund is responding to this Ebola outbreak with our local partners and with our local churches. Join us and give at tearfund.org. Thank you.